What's going on, my beautiful people? So we are here doing a property inspection. We received the information from the insurance company. Now we're going to do the inspection. This particular case is a hail case. It's for hail. So always get your system. Go with the same system every single time. So what I do is I start with the address first. If the address is not on the curb, then it's going to be on the house. But you want to get the address first so that you know what you're doing if you're doing more than one inspection, right? So I'm taking a picture of the address. I'm taking a picture of the front elevation. Once I've taken the picture of the front elevation, now I'm going to go and check it for hail, for damages, right? If they had a mailbox, you would check the mailbox as well. Any soft metals that could be damaged, going to show that. So I got an overview picture front. So I'm going to take a picture of the windows. And as I'm looking at the windows, I'm looking for dings around the window sills. I'm looking for holes in the window screen. If they had gutters, I would be looking for, dings on the gutters themselves. If they had like plastic pottery or whatever the case may be. Look there as well. Not seeing anything around the seal. I'm taking a picture of this because if hail's coming sideways, it would hit it. Maybe causing some splatter. At the bottom of the gutters, if the hail's coming down, you can usually see like indentations on the bottom of the gutters. Also on the sides of the gutters, you would see indentations. Alright, so once you have, you're checking the gutters for any indentations. If you were to find an indentation, well, first all you want to, what size are the gutters? So there's your 3-inch gutters if we need to. So if you want to, you can do that. You take a picture of the gutters. So that if you have to replace the gutters, you know what size they are. So we're just looking for any dents or dings on the gutters. Not really seeing too much of anything, so we'll continue and move on. Again, we're taking the picture, looking around the window sills, on the edges, the screens, any soft metals. The box right there, you have some hail splatter. That's a little, I wouldn't see. Hail ain't gonna break the facade, I wouldn't think. Well, let me get it anyway. Now that we got the front side, we'll do the same thing on the right side. I want to get an overview, front, right, rear, left, and then we're looking for damage. Looking around the windows, looking for any damaged window screens. Looking for any hail splatter. Good place if they had like a little plastic cover over the water hose. That'd be a good place for it. Right here. If you notice this possibly could be right here. So just chalk it. Take a picture of it. Windows showing that there was some in the windows that aren't damaged to show that they came out. There was no damage to the windows. So good. That's first, right? Since I'm right here, I'm going to go ahead and get in front of the garage. All right. Same thing. Garage door. Get a close up of it and looking for any hail dings, any nicks or so anything that's soft. Do you imagine if you were throwing rocks at the house, right? What are all the things that would get dented? And so we're looking for dents on the garage. Any other soft metals that are outside. Also any fencing. So also the top of your fencing could also show potential hail damage, which is called hail splatter. So you want to get the top of the fencing. Trash cans, you know what I mean? Hail splatter.
This is a doghouse?
I'm not sure what's in the doghouse, so I'm not gonna go any further. So when you have patio furniture, you're looking for hail splatter. Grills, you're looking for hail splatter. Any soft metal, anything that could get hit. I'm gonna finish up the garage. Got the rear. So, being that the doghouse is like
Exposed.
you know what I mean? Like it's a good place to, check as well. So just like we do on a regular roof, you'll be looking for essentially like dings, to where if you touch it, it feels like a soft apple, and with hail that hit there, that crack the surface of the roof. Front right rear. Again, checking the gutters. So it's 3-inch gutters in the front, 4-inch gutters in the back. What they call chalky surfaces. So again, we're looking at the gutters, the bottom of the gutters. Nothing on the window. Looking for any dings, any hits around the beam. The way I usually do it is I just make a, square up and down, up and down, up and down. Front, right, rear, left. Now we headed up top.
All right.
All right, so now that we got the front, right, rear elevation, any soft metals, any damages that we could find, we took a picture of it, we chalked it, we made note of it where the damages are. What we would do is actually draw it out. All right, so essentially I drew the house. This is what the house is shaped like. It's the front. It's in front of the house, garage. All right. So I'm gonna draw the rest of the roof as far as where my doggone
Fixtures.
my pipe jacks and my HVAC vents and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna draw that as, for example, right here. I'm gonna put that right there for a pipe. This one right above it says 2 pipes. I'm gonna put pipes over here. 2, you know what I mean? So that I know when I do the roof, if I'm taking the pipe off, I know I gotta put a pipe back on. Now, as far as the front, right, rear, and left, in this case, we're gonna draw the right side. So this is the right side. That's the right side of the house. So if there was any damages on the windows, I would just mark it right there. You're looking straight from the right side of the house. And go right there. Alright, so that's the other side of it. So if I'm just looking at the right side of the house, you can see the door right there, you see the thing, the windows. So we had 2 windows where the beading was messed up, so that right there, and then I'll measure it. Well, we're gonna measure it, put your measurements, and then that's what you know you need to replace. Alright, since that was the only damage on the exterior, now we're headed to the roof. Alright, place your ladder. The first thing you wanna do, take pictures of the drip edge, the number of layers. So I see this drip edge right there. It's painted, so I'm taking a picture. Lift it up, see how many layers we got under here. Take a picture of this valley metal. You see it's spinning down the valley, so we got valley metal. Take a pitch. So the reason we put the clipboard down, because obviously the roof is a little, it's a roof. So in order to get a better reading on the pitch gauge, we use a Yep. So pitch gauge on the clipboard right there. Take a picture of it. I'm change it this way.
Most accurate reading possible.
Sugar gauge. You don't want to force it. Tear anything yet. You're just trying to find where it fits. We got the drip, layers, shingle, bench, valley. Now we headed up to find some damages. We will take an overview of the whole roof, finish our drawing. You're gonna get pictures of all your vents, all your software. Okay, so once you got your roof drawn, you got all your vents specified. You just saw me mark up all the vents, all the soft metal. Same thing we did with the gutters, we're doing up here as well. And then now we're looking for damages on the roof. So because we've ordered an Eagle View, which means that we're already going to get our measurements already. So I'm not doing really any measurements because we've already ordered it, right? I will do 1 or 2 just to make sure that the Eagle View that we do get is accurate. So I'll probably run my line. Here, I'll just show you how to do it. Start at the top. And just send that bad boy down. Just move in. So we'll do it the other way. So that's 1910. What I'll do is come back to my drawing, find that slope, which is this one. 1910. So when I get my Eagle View, I'm gonna make sure that slope is that size when I get it.
Alrighty.
But you would do that exact same process. If you don't have the Eagle View, you would do that on each slope or each side of one slope. Since I did the front, run it down there, run it down that one, so forth and so forth, so you get the sizes of your slope. Take your 100 pick, you measure the ridge vents. Ridge vents, you want to do that as well. And now we're looking for damages. 10 by 10 square, so 10 feet wide, 10 feet high. You look for hail damages within that 10-foot square. Once you find them, circle them, mark them, and then get close-ups of each one. I'm looking for good.
And that's how you get down the ladder. Proper way.
I'm gonna try to keep 4 points on as much as possible.